In this first video, I'm going to do a couple of examples of solving equations, exponential equations. So I have included those in the work that I sent you this week. You can print that off perhaps and work through them at the same time. That would probably be helpful. I had intended to print them off, but unfortunately I've run out of ink, hence that I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. So I'm going to do the first two examples on this video, and then I'll do the harder two examples on a second video. Okay, so the first question, you'll definitely have met things like this before, to write root 2 as a power of 2. So hopefully all of you will know root 2 as a power of 2 is 2 to the power of a half. Okay, the second part says hence express 4 root 2 as a power of 2. Well, we've got the root 2 part here already as 2 to the power of a half. And we want to think of the 4, we want to write that as a base 2 with a power. So we know that 4 is 2 squared, so 4 is the same as 2 to the power of 2. And we can use index laws to multiply the same base. We're going to add the powers. So 2 plus a half is going to give us 2 to the power of 5 over 2. Okay. So first two questions, relatively straightforward. The third question asks you to solve the equation 2 to the power of 3x plus 4 equals 4 root 2. So it would also say hence here, I think it does, on the printed copy that you've got. So we've already got 4 root 2 written as 2 to the power of 5 over 2. So we can rewrite it as 2 to the power of 3x plus 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 5 over 2. Okay, so we've got the same base here. Therefore, 3x plus 4 must be equal to 5 over 2. So we can rewrite that as a linear equation on its own. And then solve it as you would using the balance method. We're going to subtract 4 from both sides. Gives us 3x equals 5 over 2, subtract 4. Okay, I like to think of the 4 as a fraction with the same denominator. I think it makes it easier to calculate. So 5 over 2 minus 8 over 2 is going to give us minus 3 over 2. Okay, and then we need to divide by 3 on both sides. Minus 3 over 2. If we're going to divide by 3, we know that's the same as multiplying by a third. So x is equal to minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. 2 times 3 is 6. X is equal to minus 3/6, or in its simplest form, minus a half.